All right, so we're going to look at solving radical equations. This first one we could really solve using inspection. So I know the square root of some number has to be 5. Well, I know that that number has to be 25. The other way I could do that, of course, is squaring both sides. X has to be 22. Again, only a positive value. I can only take the square root of a positive number. All right, I'm going to move this 3 to the other side. Cube root of x minus 5 must be 5. Again, I can think about inspection, or I can cube both sides. X minus 5 is 125, so x must be 130. In this case, I'm definitely going to square both sides. X minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3. That implies that x is equal to, move the 3 to the other side, -1. Notice though, if I plug -1 back in, then I have -1 minus 4 would be the square root of -5. That does not work. Similarly here, this would be -2 minus 3. Again, I have the square root of -5. Well, even though I can't take the square root of those are the same imaginary numbers. So root -5 does equal root -5. Because those are equal, even though I have imaginary solutions, this equation is still true with this value. So this is an acceptable solution. All right, I'm going to add 1 to the other side. 2 cube root x squared is 4. Divide by 2. Cube root of x squared is 2. That must mean that x squared is 8. That must mean x is plus or minus root 8, or plus or minus 2 root 2. Notice it's okay to have a negative here. I can take the cube root of a negative, even more so when I square the value, the negative becomes positive anyhow. So both of these solutions are correct.